I'm in it for the glory. 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 Going up, here we going up. Take it to the sky. Going up, here we going up.
嘿，我是奶爸。各位不觉得最近真的是热到厌世吗？前几天奶爸去花莲拍摄，真的是汗水完全没有停过哎！大家记得外出的时候要多补充水分哦。这次的拍摄景点算是蛮特殊的，第一个是花莲的海牙谷，是一个非常漂亮的地方，也是一个很好拍照的地点。还有在花莲复兴小火车周遭的绿色隧道，又直又长，让奶爸飞完就是有一种爽感。我们马上进入影片吧。
From the big to the small, look how we do it. Come join the movement. You know the team too strong. Better get out of the streets, unless you want to defeat. We are the messengers, came to bring the world down on its knees. So listen up, cause I'm bringing the truth. Young and legendary, we are the youth. We are the sign you asked for to believe. Look at us, we are the proof. Too big, couldn't fit in a box. Ebo shaking out of his socks. About to turn the whole world upside down, standing on top of the rock. It's the anthem. Ooh. How we count it back in. I'm here to crush all the doubts. Get ready, we about to begin. Gathering up all your friends, we turn the boys into men. You cannot stop what you can't control, cause we were destined to win. So call the giants. I got the rock in my slingshot, you know that I'm dying to fly it. No weapon against us, you shouldn't even try it. Get forever sliding, you probably should die it. We about to start up a riot. Keep all the lies, we don't buy it. No propaganda, this is the anthem. How could you ever deny it? Woo!
各位看完影片，是不是应该觉得去走一走呢？如果喜欢奶爸的影片，请帮我订阅、按赞、分享。我们下周五见喽，拜拜。